Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a pretty special 442 right here. It's a 1970 factory tuxedo black, all number matching 455, loaded with options, and it has a complete W30 package added to it. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this 442. I am partial to the 442s. When I was young and starting off with the muscle cars, I bought one of these thinking I could work my way up to a Chevelle because I couldn't afford a Chevelle at the time. I ended up falling in love with these. Like, what do I need a Chevelle for? This is a better car. So I've owned many. I've been in the Oldsmobile club. I participated in the Nationals. So I know these pretty well. This is a really good example. Good, clean, honest car. 54,000 miles. I really believe it to be original. This is a 32-year-old paint job that's on here. It has some minor imperfections, but what a clean body, and it shows really well. So I guess we'll start with the underneath. Clean, rust-free. You look at the drain plugs on the inner rockers and inner quarters and the pinch welds and the braces, all super clean metal. I didn't see any signs of patching or nothing that's all gooked up or anything like that. Just good, clean, dry, original underneath the car. The front end was rebuilt. You look up at the motor, it's all clean. The transmission, it's the original Turbo 400 with the OG tag on the side, 1970. It's rebuilt with a mild shift kit. It has the original 323 Oldsmobile 12-bolt rear end in it. It has the rally suspension, which is the front and rear sway bars, the box control arms in back. It's got a nice dual exhaust system with the trumpet tips that come out through the back bumper, disc brakes in front. So underneath the car is very clean, respectable. The body, as far as I can tell, it's original panels, and I'm looking down the side, it's laser beam straight. The doors fit real nice. I purposely left the windows up. You can see how nice they fit. Look at the gaps. No bubbles or blistering. It's all clean. Fenders are all metal. The bottom of the doors, when you open them, it's nice and clean. So super clean body. To be black and look this good in its 32-year-old paint job, that's amazing. Now there are some imperfections, which I will find some, I'm sure. The W30 stripes were painted on correctly. It's more difficult than you realize. I've seen those really messed up before. They just don't get it right. Too big or wrong curves, but the stripes are painted on properly. The 442 emblems are all proper. There's a small gap here and a wide gap there. A lot of people don't know that. If they're going to put new emblems on or make a Cutlass into a 442, they space them evenly. So those are spaced properly, and the fenders too. So more than likely it's original fenders and trunk. All the glass is really clear. There's a couple little scuffs right there, but the glass is all clear. The moldings are exceptionally shiny. Got a little pitting right here. This is actually not stainless. That one piece is chrome. Here's a chip that's been touched up. 1970 only has the crease. The sport mirrors are for a 70 only. It's touched up right on the edge of the door here. Windshield looks new. Again, the moldings are real nice. Little touch up here. This is a genuine Ram Air hood. It's a real steel hood with the fiberglass scoops. Got the hood pins. It's got a bubble right here, a hairline crack right there, chip touched up, a little bubble there, a touch up right here. When you just stand here, you don't see any of those things I talked about, but I want to point them out to you. All the bumpers on an Oldsmobile, they fit the body. And if it's been hit or whacked, they don't fit that well. These all fit real nicely. They call it the SS3 wheels because they're painted gray. All the trim's real nice. Nice BF Goodrich tires. Like I was saying, the emblems are spaced out perfectly. Vinyl top is excellent. Door jambs are real nice. Doors shut real nice, even with the windows up. Got the little rubber inserts here. The lenses are nice. I talked about the exhaust coming through the bumper. Spoiler. It does have a power trunk. It does work. The trunk light works. It's all painted nice. Has all the stickers. I was in here with my flashlight. I don't see any cuts or splices or original quarter panels. The trunk floor is clean. A matching spare. It's a gray wheel, all restored. The BF Goodrich tires never been used. It has the complete jack. It even has the lug wrench. There's a CD changer there too. Weather strips look like they're new. The bottom of the doors are clean. Inside the car is just very nice. The seats have been reupholstered. The door panels are really good original. When you look at the instrument panels, really good original. Slight patina. I can't say it's all new. The only thing that's new are the seat covers, but everything else is really very nice. Loaded with options in there too. It has its numbers matching 455 motor with the correct W30 equipment. It has the aluminum intake. It has the very rare heads. I think they're F heads, but they are the W30 heads. They're expensive and rare. It's got the red inner fenders. It's got the ram air induction. This is a factory air conditioned car. It's converted to the R134 Freon. In the glove box, I just found the owner's manual, the warranty information, and the Protecto plate. No splits in the dash pad at all. So as far as options inside the car, it's got the Hurst dual gate shifter in the console. It's got power windows, power lock, AM FM radio, sport wheel on a tilt column. It has the inside hood lock. It has the tick-tock tachometer. It has cruise control. Here's part of the cruise control. So it's not hooked up, but there's the missing part. Might need to be rebuilt. It's got some new speakers up under there. Getting back to the options, I think I mentioned the tick-tock tachometer. Interior lights all work, even inside the console. The AM/FM radio is not hooked up, but there's a stereo under the seat. I found that while I was driving. I actually took this to a doctor appointment. I put probably 20 miles on this car. It runs and drives really well. Getting back in here, it's all cleaned up very nicely. It's got these rubber flaps. It has a little plastic clamp here in the shroud and the right hose clamps. It's got the chicken wire in the bottom of the hood, the wiper motor, alternator, master cylinder. All of it's really clean and tidy. All the metal is nice and square, doesn't look wrinkled or bent or hit. It's got just all clean firewall, the hinges, all that's real nice. I'll start it up for you in a minute here. Clean door jambs. Here we go. It has the Oldsmobile vanity mirror with the Oldsmobile logo on it. It has the map light on the bottom of the mirror. You open the ashtray, the cigarette lighter matches the other knobs. Love that Oldsmobile sound. I always say it sounds like a boat in the water, just a boom, 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 real deep. Well, it's Monday morning. It's not fully warmed up yet. It's like me. It's a little slow getting going on Monday mornings. Tinted glass. Yeah, super nice car. Lots of options. Factory black. Black's a big deal on these. They didn't make a lot of black cars back then. Has all the GM seat belts, the shoulder belts, the visors are real nice. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, they can help with that. They'll answer any questions about the car or the whole process, the financing, delivery. They can help with that. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.